Hello guys, welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to convert the speech into the text, voice into the text format. For this, we are using the speech recognition library. Let's see how it works. I will explain how it works. What we record or what we talk in microphone, it will be called as physical sound, right? First, speech recognition converts the physical sound to the electronic signal. Next, that signal convert to the digital data, like as you know, we have some analog to digital converters. After converting into digital signals, the digital signal can be, the digitalized signal can be used to transcript, audio to text. Convert, it is used to convert the audio to the text. For detailed information about speech recognition, I am giving the link of documentation in the description. Okay, now we can convert the audio file into the text, and also we can convert the input given by the user into the text. We are going to use two libraries, speech recognition and PyAudio. You can install the libraries using pip. Go to the command line and type pip install speech recognition, and also pip install PyAudio. I am giving the text format in the description. Now we are converting the input from the microphone into the text. Let's see now. First, we are importing the necessary libraries. Now we need to recognize the speech, right? So we are using, recognizer class. So now let's initialize the recognizer class. As I said, we are converting the input from the microphone into text. Chalo, first I'm taking the microphone as a source. To get to know whether where the recording is started, where the recording is off, where the microphone is on, when the microphone is off. So I am using a print statement. A man talk. To listen from the microphone, we are using the listen method, listen function, because we are given a microphone as a source, and we are storing the listened speech into the a variable, and we need to know whether it is stopped or not. So successfully. Now the audio is stored in variable a. So let us print the audio now. It is converted into, we need to convert speech into text, right? Let's see. But one thing, speech recognition library supports several APIs, but in this video we are using the Google speech recognition because it supports different languages now. So we are using the Google speech recognition. When we are taking input from microphone, there may be chances of not recognizing the speech by the microphone. So we need to avoid that. We are using the exception handling. We are using try and expect method. Now we are printing the audio in the form of text. Sorry, r dot recognize. I am going to use Google as I said. A. If recognize underscore Google throws an exception, expect block will be executed. Sorry, I didn't. dot wait, sorry, here is. Now let's see the execution for it. S dot by hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Oh, sorry for it. I'm making text perfect. To avoid the confusion, I'm making this change. Now let's again execute. Hello, how are you? Welcome to YouTube. Now here you can see hello, how are you? Welcome to YouTube. Guys, now we are going to see how to convert the English text to the different languages. To convert, we are giving the language equals to Telugu IN. Let's see now. Let us execute the file. How are you? Ela unnaru? Guys, you can see command line does not support the Telugu language. So I copied the text. Let's paste in the Visual Code. How are you? Ela unnaru? For different languages, there will be different codes. So for codes, you can see the documentation. I'm giving the documentation link in the description. Now let's see how to convert the audio file into the text. And the thing, audio file must be in the format of WAV, AIFF and FLAC. Here instead of microphone, I'm giving the audio file hardware.wav. It should be in the form of single quotes or double quotes. Yeah, before executing, I want to erase this one. Now let's see the execution of this program. Maybe it takes time. Let's see. You can see the output. This is the text of the audio file which we are giving as an input. Guys, I want to let you know something, right? For converting the audio file into the text, PyAudio library is not used. You can for converting the microphone input into the text, we need PyAudio. And thing guys, you can use record instead of listen. It also works. Guys, difference between taking input from microphone and taking input from audio file is just we are replacing the microphone function instead of audio file and listen function instead of record function. Guys, I wrote a graphical user interface for this. Until now we done command line interface. Let's see the graphical user interface for it. This is the code of graphical user interface. I'm going to execute now. PT switch to text dot py. Okay, I'm going to talk now. Click. Hello, how are you? What's going on? You can see here the text is printed. What I have given to the input, it will be printed in the text format here. Don't worry guys, I'm going to post this code in our website bit.do/nobi. I'm also giving the website link in the description. Actually, I want to let you know one thing. Google Speech Recognition Library, function is an easy method to convert a speech into text, right? But it requires a connection, internet connection. But you can convert that audio or microphone input into the text in offline mode also by using the SPHINX mode. For this, you need to refer our documentation. I'm giving the link in the description. Now let's see the what are the uses of speech recognition. Actually, this would be very helpful for NLP projects, especially handling audio transcripts data. One thing guys, if you are not able to install PyAudio library, I'm giving the solution video link in the description. Check it once. If you want the total documentation of speech recognition, I'm giving the link in the description, drive link. You can download easily. I hope you will try the other methods like other than Google, like Bing, IBM. You can find these methods in the documentation. If you have any doubts regarding this video in, this code or GUI code, you can contact me in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or else you can comment it in the below comment section. Actually, I tried to explain the all APIs, Bing, Google, IBM, but it takes a long time, right? So I'm using only Google in this video. Guys, last thing you need to do is don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share the video link with your friends. It's like an learning new things, share knowledge, and grow up together. Guys, please share the video link with your friends. If you support us, we can do more videos. Okay, thanks guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.